every year we get hit with that holiday 11, and I must say, I actually like these are very much more better in hand. What do y'all think? Let's check these out together. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefar. I hope you're having a very great day, and I hope you're having a very blessed day. Now in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, you know what we're already doing. You know what I'm bringing y'all, another sneaker review. But the sneaker that we're gonna be taking a look at today is the December 10th. Every single year when it comes to Jordan, they make this silhouette, and it is the holiday shoe. I will just tell y'all right now, we are looking at an Air Jordan 11, but this is a brand new colorway for the Air Jordan 11. However, for this silhouette in a different version, it's not a brand new colorway. We've seen this colorway before, but now on the high version, it is a brand new colorway. So we'll be taking, I feel like I said a brand new colorway like 5 million times, my bad. But today we're gonna be taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 in the cherry colorway, and let me just tell you right now, I'm very excited for this. I was kind of iffy on it, to be honest. It was one of those shoes where I was like, if I hit on them, I hit on them. If I don't, I don't. And actually seeing a couple people get them in hand has changed my opinion. These are nice in my opinion, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at them right now. With all that said, let's go ahead and dive into these Air Jordan 11s together. Let's go. First and foremost, before we dive into these Air Jordan 11s though, before we actually look at it, I do want to say thank you guys so much for the love and support that you always show the channel. Your support, your commenting, your feedback, it greatly is appreciated, and I cannot thank you guys seriously enough. If this is your first time tapping into any one of my videos or the channel, definitely want you to stick around. Definitely go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe button. That way, anytime I upload a video, you, your grandma, your goldfish, anybody that you know, you can definitely go ahead and see more videos from me. Also as well, I like to be color coordinated with the product that I am reviewing as best as I can. So I always like to have some sort of accessory to match with the product I'm reviewing. So in this case today, the product is white and red. So I got my white shirt on, and I also do got my headband on, which is red. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into these together right now after I put these on. Let's go. Here we go, we got that Nike headband on to match these babies. Hey, I'm excited though. Let's get to it though, for real. I'm gonna go ahead and get my knife right here. As you can see, we got that green Supreme, and we're gonna go ahead and dive into this unboxing. I was able to go ahead and get these early. Like I said, the release date is going to be December 10th. Retail price is gonna be $225. I was able to get them early due to Nike. They did a shock drop over on the Sneakers Live, which was, I believe, last week, and a lot of people hit and a lot of people didn't hit. I was fortunate enough to get the got 'em. Oh, thank you so much, Nike. I appreciate you very much, so I can bring the review for y'all. And here we go right here. Let's go ahead and take them out the box. And dude, it's cold. It is actually cold right now. Sheesh. Okay, let's go ahead. As you can see, we got the Air Jordan 11 box right here. Nothing crazy like your normal standard Air Jordan 11 box. You got all black with you got the white text Jordan, and you got the red Jumpman right in there. Looking at the side of it, you do have the gray box. You do have your size description, which I will read right now. Let's go ahead and actually read it. So we it does say Air Jordan 11 Retro. We got white, varsity, red, black. The size I got, as you can see, is an 11, and I recommend when it comes to Air Jordan 11s, go true to size. You won't be disappointed. Also, you do have a SKU code right there, and then for also the SKU code reading, sorry, not a SKU code, the QR code. As you can see, the SKU code at the bottom, it does say CT801211 and 6. And there we go right here. Like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and pan it for you guys to see. And there we go, size 11. And if you have any more questions about sizing, please let me know, because I will help you as best as I can. That sun is glaring, but we're gonna have to make do today. So let's go ahead and actually, let me pan it. As you can see right here, just pop the top off right here. I mean, I already spoiled the surprise low key, but here we go right there. Wait, first and foremost, before we look at it, we does have black tissue paper, which does cover the Air Jordan 11 Cherries, the sneaker. And let's go ahead and actually pop that right there. And boom, greet it with the left. Let's get it, the holiday 2022 Air Jordan 11 Cherries. Let's go ahead and get the right pair out. And like I said, these do take after, well, in my opinion, the Air Jordan 11 Low, the Cherries that came out, I believe was it 2016. I'll put a picture up right there so you can see. Let's go ahead and put everything back. Oh, also, real quick, really quick. There's that quality control right there in the green. Let's go ahead and put everything back right there, and then we'll review these together. Let's go. All right, boom, here we go right here. Which one do we want to review first? Do we want to do the right, or do we want to do the left? I feel like the left, low-key speaking. I feel like I always do the left, you know? Gotta go with the left. I feel like the left just gets that better angle. So check it out. Right, I like these a lot though. That patent leather is clean. All right, come on, let's not get ahead of ourselves. So looking at the bottom of the outsole, you do get your Jumpman right there. You do have your track pads right there, which are done in red. You do have that icy blue, which kind of actually, because it's red, it kind of looks like it's like blue mixed with red right there as well. You do have that carbon fiber, which all 11s do come with. Looking at the midsole right there, you can see part of the icy blue kind of come up, but it is predominantly an all white midsole right there. Then as we come up to that hat and leather, ooh, it shines. Look at the sun. Look at that. Look at that sun. It's shining. Then you come up a little bit more. You do got your Jumpman, which is done in red. Then that's coming back to the back. You do have 23 at the back of that heel right there, which is very, very nice and soft to the touch. Coming around as well, you do have your bungee cord style laces, which I love about 11s. I feel like a whole bunch of people love that as well. Coming up, you do got your tongue. And then let's go ahead and surprisingly, I don't know what's going on, but surprisingly, it come with a plastic or a paper shoe tree. Normally it used to come with actually a plastic mold shoe tree, and that was really, really cool. I see they're actually switching it up. But I like these though. I like them a lot. Looking in the insole right there, you do, I know it's kind of hard to tell because of the light, but you do have an all red insole, and then you do have a white Jumpman, and then the size, of course, that you do go ahead and get. So that's them right here. These are the Air Jordan 11s that are coming for 2022 for December 10th. Retail price is going to be $225. Sheesh, let's hope they don't keep increasing these prices for these 11s. But comment down below and let me know what you think about them. Like I said before, these do take after, well, I'm not going to say they take after, but the colorway we've gotten before, we've seen this colorway, just not on this high. It was in the low, the cherries, which I said it came back in 2016. So let me know what you think about them. I'm very excited to see that we actually did go ahead and actually get these. I like them a lot. I think these will for sure be an instant seller just because they are a fan favorite silhouette that drops every single year. In my opinion though, do I think it's the best color we've ever gotten? No, but I do like them though. I do like them. I'm hoping next year, Nike, if you're listening, drop the Gammas. Drop the Gammas. The Gammas need to be retro. They need to be retro. Just that all black with that teal Jumpman. Oh, it's just clean. Just clean. So comment down below and let me know what you think about these Air Jordan 11 Cherries. So, ooh, that sunset, I'm here for you today. Well, come on. Let's go. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today's review. I hope you guys do enjoy the review over the Air Jordan 11 Cherries. Before I break away to an on-feet review though, I do wanna give you guys a closer perspective. That way you guys can make your decision when it comes to actually purchasing these shoes. That's why I like making these reviews for you guys, for real. Other than me having a big interest, it also helps you guys in making the decision of purchase. So let's take a closer look right now. Here we go right here, the Air Jordan 11 and the cherry colorway. Honestly, this is a very nice shoe. This is like one of the shoes that for sure, it is very, very bright because it is predominantly all red, but definitely, it's funny for the holiday, this being a holiday shoe, definitely get big Christmas vibes, you know, like Christmas hat, you know, white and red. But I also do love the fact that, you know, it pops a lot. And I like how these kind of, like I said, in my opinion, they take after the cherry lows, and it's cool to see we did get a high. These are definitely a pass in the sneaker collection. Are these sneaker of the year? I'm gonna pass on them just because we have, I have another sneaker that I personally think is sneaker of the year, and the review for that will be on the way as well. But comment down below and let me know what you do think about these Air Jordan 11 cherries. And if you do like it, hey, let me know. Are you rocking these immediately? Are you gonna pass on them? Are you gonna go ahead and let them sit for a little bit, then bring them out in a year or so? Like, I really do wanna hear your feedback and your comments, so definitely let me know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I said before, this is the review over the Air Jordan 11 cherry. Appreciate you guys so much for tapping into the channel. I really, really greatly do appreciate that. If this is your first time tapping in, like I said, subscribe, do all that good stuff. That way I can go ahead and actually see more growth from the channel, from us, and we can keep on persevering as we are growing together. Like I said, check out these cherries. Let me know how you feel about them. This has been your boy. This has been your kid, Nephrite. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, it's been your boy. It's been your kid. The On Feet review coming up right now. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Gems with the heat.